My name is Ken Arneson. I'm the executive chef for Alter Ego Restaurant located inside the Canopy Hotel in downtown Tempe, and I'm partnering today with Bank of the West. How long have I been cooking? Oh, geez, 30 plus years? Does that make me sound old? What first got me interested in cooking? Just being born and raised in kitchens, Polynesian by heritage, and so food's always just been a part of my life. What am I making today? Something very high in omega-3 fatty acids, actually a pan-seared Arctic char that's been lightly marinated in lemongrass Thai tea that I toasted off, and with a Three Sisters composition, which is corn, squash, and beans. And it's a huge part of the protein intake from a natural standpoint, and also following some Native American stories and agricultural history here in Arizona, it seemed to be a good thing to pinpoint for today's dish. What do I like most about being part of the March of Dimes and the Signature Chef Championship? It's just being partnered with them, being partnered with the March of Dimes and the great things that they do for babies and women who are expecting. You know why you should vote for me? Just because it's for a great cause. To support, the cause, the great food, and the great chefs. How can you vote for me? Just follow me on Facebook. You'll see a link there. And of course, also at the March of Dimes, the Chef's Champion Series. Make a donation there. It's so crucial that you make a donation towards the chefs that you feel are your favorite and have inspired you culinarily and also have touched your heart.